Hi, I'm Helga from Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking, and today this can go in a veggie or the weekday wonders category. It is a 3-4 if you really want it to be ingredient side dish with carrots and green beans. Green beans are just coming on here, and I didn't plant any this year, but my sister did, and she let me raid her garden. So these are fresh right out of the garden to go with some carrots, and I'm going to show you how I do them up quick. They have so much flavor this way. It is my absolute one of my most favorite ways of having them. I didn't get any green beans in this year. My garden is sad. Coming, but it's sad. It's going to be mostly peppers and tomatoes. But my sister did, and she said I could come raid her green beans. And that's going to go for a dish that I'm going to show you. It goes together really quick, but it tastes fabulous. So there's what I got. They're loaded. She's going to have a bunch more. You see, she's got a nice little garden. Step 1, just a little bacon grease, just enough to coat the pan nice. I'm going to take my fresh green beans and my carrots, and all I'm going to do is throw them in. And I'm going to just put them on low heat, especially with a cast iron and a gas stove. You don't need high heat. Some people, if you want to do it really quickly, you can steam these, or even steam them in the microwave to get them a little more tender, but I like doing them just low in my pan here so they get the flavor. And I don't like my vegetables mushy anyway. I like mine al dente or a little crunchy. So bring it back when these go and get done a little bit. They're about where I want them. They have a little color, kind of wilted, but they're still, see, they're tender, but they're not mushy. And that's what I want. So I'm going to call these done, and we're going to dish them up. Now the only thing to add to this, if you choose, and I like them just like this, but some people like adding a little Parm cheese. Just like that. And there you go. Sauteed green beans and carrots and a little bacon grease, a little Parm cheese over the top. Simple, pretty quick, and oh my god, it tastes so good. You know what comes next. Hey guys, you know what time it is? Taste test time. So there are my green beans and carrots. On a plate, I paired them with some cooked beef mashed potatoes that has parsley and cheese in it. And also some round steak that has mushroom gravy sauce on it. But and these green beans right out of the garden. I mean, you just don't get any fresher than that. So let's try a couple. Carrots. Long. That's just enough that it actually brings out the sugars in the carrots. It gives them really nice sweetness. Oh, they're almost like they're candied. They're so good. If you haven't had them like this, try it. It's a good way to use up a little bit of bacon grease. Gives them great flavor, and you know, how can you go wrong with that? So that's another weeknight wonder for you. Just green beans and carrots sauteed in a little bacon fat. Little Parmesan cheese on top. If you liked what you saw, please like and subscribe, and join me next time here in Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking.